We have the 2022 Get It Together People Daily Planner. I apologize for taking so long, guys, but doesn't that look gorgeous? Spiral binding. Absolutely love how it turned out. Thank you, Melissa. All right, let's get together. Get it together. So I have here explaining how to use the planner, but I'm going to walk through real quick for you. Yearly planner right there. All right, so in the front we have the weekly cleaning list. So each week you're going to pick one room and you're going to do all these things in one room, okay? So you just pick one room and each week you just go through and thoroughly clean all of those things. Then here we have monthly chores. And you can see January through December, you check it off monthly as needed. So I would organize my pantry once a month and check it off as you do it. Then as needed chores, you don't have to wash your windows every month. So if you wash them, let's say in April, and then you realize, ooh, maybe I need to do it again in August or October, then you can just visually see that you actually got it done, but you don't have to do it all the time. Then we have menus, winter menus, spring, summer, and fall. You guys know how we love our 10 menus so that you have your 10 menus that you rotate through, main dish, sides, desserts. Then we have our budget right here. You can fill in your budget for each month so you're keeping track of everything in your budget. Then your debt payoff. List your debts. And as you pay them off each month, you can see the balance going down, and it is such a wonderful feeling to be totally debt-free. Then we get into the daily planner part right here on weekends. We have them together because we're assuming you're not doing as much, but you still on Saturday want to make sure you get your basics done. Well, and on Sunday too, but make sure at least on Saturday you get the basics done. And then for the daily. Now, here's the thing. If you want to have a productive life, only get 3 things on your to-do list. Otherwise, you'll get overwhelmed and you'll just feel like you're never getting anything done because you're spinning your wheels. So, only put 3 things on your to-do list. Then here we left more room for notes because I know sometimes you're going to have to call the vet, you're going to have to call the doctor, the pharmacy, whatever. Then you can add that there. Remember today, this is your most important thing that you need to remember today. My anniversary. Oops, better tell the hubby I still love him. Right there. Those are the kinds of things there. Your appointments, what you're going to have for dinner. Then check off your daily checklist. Make sure you drink all your water, and then notes. And then at the very end, back here, we have a shopping list for each week. I have 52 of these shopping lists for you to do each week. You can just cut it off or transfer it to your phone, whichever you like. Each of the months, guys, because of issues this year with the supply chain and everything, we couldn't do tabs. So what we did was we made each month a different color on the side there. So it's a lot easier for you to flip through and see the month, okay? So you can see, you know, where February is or where May, because you can see how it's different. So that's the 2022 planner, guys. It's 20% off right now. Go grab it. This will help you get your life together in a simplified way. Still get everything done without getting overwhelmed. livingonadime.com. We will see you guys next time.